Hello and welcome to the WallMantra show, where you can get all the tips and tricks to decorate your home like a professional interior designer. I am your host Aryan. Today I am going to tell you how to choose Bohemian furnishing for your home. Tip number 1. Bohemian furnishing is all about an easy breezy look with a touch of traditionalism. Go for either sheer curtains or block printed curtains for a vibrant look. Use tasseled cushions and fringe throws for your couch or divan. Tip number 2. Have colorful handcrafted ottomans and velvet puffy stools for the floor. Also, get a rustic wooden center table which is neither too big nor too small. Tip number 3. And at last, finish the look with handmade jute rug below the table. Play with the likes of rattans and dhuris to achieve that bohemian look. So, this was all about how to choose bohemian furnishing for your home. Tune into the next episode tomorrow to know about bohemian furniture. Bye-bye.